Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about the spoilers for the Ice Cream Beauty bag and the box for February 2023. So really quick, if you're not familiar with Ice Cream, the bag is $12.50 a month plus shipping. You get 3 to 5 full-size items. The box is $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. And if you use code Michelle10, it's going to save you 10% off your first subscription. I don't make anything off of it. It's just a code to save you a little bit of money. If you like these spoilers, please make sure that you are giving me a thumbs up. It really helps to push the video so other people can see the spoilers. Also, if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. I'm almost at my 1,000 subscribers, and as soon as I hit that, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So definitely make sure that you hit the subscribe button before you go. Also, don't forget to ring the notification bell. I upload twice a week. But very random. I don't have certain days, but I do upload twice a week. So really quick, before we get into the spoilers, I wanted to share with you that Ice Cream is going to be having an exclusive palette in the very near future. This will not be included in the February box, but this will be in the near future, she said, and she is collabing with another brand. She didn't say which brand, but I am so excited for her. I know the quality is going to be amazing because every single month Ice Cream's box is so good. It's very affordable. The products in there are really nice. Like, I have absolutely loved every single box that I have gotten, and I've been getting this box since last December, so a little over a year now, and I still enjoy getting every single box. She does an amazing job with the box every single month, and the bag, let me tell you, the bag has been killing it. I don't quite have it in my budget right now to sign up for the bag, and that's okay. I'm good with that, but oh my god, the bag is so cute this month. I cannot even, you'll see in just a minute. But yes, I just wanted to let you know really quick that we're going to be getting an exclusive Ice Cream palette, and that is so exciting. I love exclusive palettes. I know some people don't really care for them because it's like, well, everybody can't get them, but I'm like, it's so cool to get an exclusive palette. I love having palettes that aren't just your everyday palettes, and that's what an exclusive palette is. It's not your everyday palette. It's something special. So I'm so excited for her, and I honestly cannot wait to see her palette. I am super excited for that. Go ahead and grab your coffee because we're about to get into some spoilers. And we're going to start off with the bag like always. And of course, I'm going to start off with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. Look at how stinking cute this palette is. This is a palette from Muse Cosmetics. And this is the I Think I'm in Love palette. This is a 12 pan palette. It's got some reds, burgundies, browns, golds, plums. It's a very neutral palette. It looks like a box of chocolate. Like, are you even kidding me? This is like the perfect palette for this month. I love it. Okay, so for spoiler number 2, this is Go To Beauty, and this is a liquid eyeshadow. It's a duochrome glitter, but the color shift is very slight. I personally love liquid glitters. I think it is the best way to wear glitter. It doesn't fall all over your face. I mean, you can use a glitter glue, but you don't have to because it's in a liquid eyeshadow. So I just personally love glitters that way better. Okay, so for spoiler number 3 for the bag, you're going to be getting an Appeal Cosmetics gel liner in the color Mood. It can be used on the eyes or the lips. Now, I have a few liners from Appeal. I would personally say that it would work better as a lip because they are very creamy. So I think it would work better as a lip liner. That's how I use mine. You can use them on the eyes, but I just personally prefer them as a lip liner. But beautiful nude color will go perfect with the palette. And then for the 4th spoiler, that's right, you're getting 4 items for the bag this month. So that is so cool. It's going to be another product from Appeal Cosmetics. And this is the lipstick in the color Mood. So you're getting the lip liner and lipstick to match. And I love that. You know me, I love matchy-matchy things. The bag is absolutely amazing this month. It is so perfect for this month. Okay, girl, so let's go ahead and move on to the Ice Cream Beauty box. So the first spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be an item from Mirabella Beauty. And this is the I Love You palette in color Undressed. Now this is a 9-pan palette. It's got a black, pink, mauve, brown, cream colors. It looks like a very romantic palette to me. Like, it's very soft, subtle, but still cute. I love it. I can't wait to try it. Okay, so spoiler number 2 for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be Queen Studio, and I'm probably mispronouncing that, so forgive me if I am. But this is the Dragon Lash Mascara. So I hopped online and looked this up, and it said that this was featured in boxycharm. So if anybody gets boxycharm, did you get this in one of your boxes? I would love to know that. But it says that it's a tubing mascara, so I'm excited to try it. I love trying mascaras. Actually, one of my favorite mascaras that I still use right now, we got out of an Ice Cream Beauty box, and it's fabulous mascara. I'm so happy that we got it. Okay, so for spoiler number 3, it's going to be a product from Amuse Cosmetics. And this is the Heart of Gold lip gloss. How stinking cute is this lip gloss? Like, it's so adorable. The packaging, I just cannot get over that. So adorable. I love it. So for spoiler number 4 for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from IBY Beauty. And this is a 3-piece brush set, and I'm so excited for this. You know that I love getting brushes in my subscription boxes. I don't particularly go out and buy brushes because I have so many. But girl, when they get sent in a subscription box, I am here for it. I love that. I love when it gets sent in a subscription box because I'm getting the brushes without having to like go out there and buy them. So I love that. Okay, for the 5th and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty box, we're going to be receiving a product from Chantico Beauty. Now this is the Candy Chrome Multi-Chrome Loose Pigments, and everybody is going to receive 2 out of the 4. So you're not going to get all 4, but you're going to get 2 of these colors. And I am so excited to try these because I'm usually not a fan of loose pigments, but these are multi-chromes, so I guarantee you they are going to be gorgeous, especially if they shift the way they're supposed to. I've been in love with like duochrome, multi-chrome things lately, so I am so excited to get this. I cannot wait. Okay, you guys, so that's all the spoilers. So out of the bag, I would definitely say that the palette is my favorite thing, and out of the box, I think I would have to go with the loose pigments because I'm excited to see if they're going to shift the way that they're supposed to. So I am excited to try those. As always, let me know what you think down in the comments. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!